Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, we have a question that borders on the length of a chord. It says, find the length of a chord that subtends an angle 120 degrees at the center of a circle with radius 10 centimeters. So straight up, let's put a pictorial representation of that information. This is the chord. This chord here, let's call it AB. It subtends an angle at the center of the circle. This is the angle here. We're told that the angle is 120 degrees, so let's put 120 degrees. And the radius is the radius. Okay, radius of 10 centimeters. That means here is 10 centimeters. Let's call this O. And here is also 10 centimeters as the radius. Now, the length of a chord, length of AB, is given by the formula 2r sine theta over 2. That's the formula, so we apply it. So this becomes our length of AB is 2 times our r is 10. 2 times 10 sine 120 over 2. So 120 over 2 is 60 degrees. So this is 20 sine 60 degrees. So from here, when we put our sine 60 in short form, sine 60 in short form is root 3 over 2. So this is 20 times root 3 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 10. So our line AB, the length of the chord there is 10 root 3, of course, centimeter. I hope you have enjoyed today's solving. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you have a question like this, you are struggling with, you don't understand how it is solved, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. To meet again in the next class, but before we meet again, if you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.